Man, it's out raining today. Just got a call from one of my tenants letting me know that there's water, or she found water outside of the indoor AC unit closet. So it's draining outside under the garage carport, and it's not a lot, but she noticed it, and it could be the drip pan. I'm no AC expert, you know. So this is basically, I'm making a video about this because this is one of those issues that I told you about. You know, it's okay. So here we go. We have a potential AC issue, right? I'm not even going to take it out of context. I'm just going to address it for what it is, right? She said she have an AC that's leaking water. I'm going to go out there first, verify, you know, open up the closet, see where the water coming from, see if it's the drip pan. The drip pan may be full because it's been really humid. It's raining right now, you know, but for the most part, I'm just going to call the home warranty company. $65. If it's an issue, if it's a clear issue, I'm going to call the home warranty company, and they're going to come out for $65, and they're going to repair it. And it's no headache. There's no headache at all. This is real time working through an investment, income producing property, real estate problem, right? This is real time. Okay, what about the $65? Who pays for that $65? Well, you can do it one or two ways, you know. I know in the lease, I do have a trip charge that's designated in the lease. And every time I come back, I charge a certain amount. So I could push that fee over to the tenant. It just depends, you know. I know it's in the lease, you know, so it, you know, there's no problems. There is no problems. I feel fantastic, you know. I mean, if it's an issue, address it, solve it, you know. So just wanted to make a short video about it, you know, real time, and just a rant.